Discrete manufacturing copy cost functionality. By default, Oracle will give you a concurrent program to do this. We can do it in the wizard too. So you choose your copy option. You can either merge and update, you can do new cost information only, or you can remove and replace all cost information. Exactly the same as with the Oracle concurrent program. We also choose our cost type here that we want to copy to. So on the left is the copy from and the copy to. And then we simply copy this down to the records that we want to do that copy cost for. Like I said before, by default it uses a concurrent program, so when we upload it actually submits a concurrent program for each record. So you have to be a bit careful about using this, as it can fire off a lot of concurrent programs. And we can see here by our view request screen they're all pending, and this again is visible in Oracle, and you can see we're waiting for those to run. Now I'm just going to log out. There is a MorphWrap's profile option available to you. It's called the MorphWrap's ICW Allow Direct Item Cost Copy Without Concurrent Program. Now this profile option has two values: No, which is default, which means that a concurrent program will always be called, and Yes, which allows you to directly call the code that does the copy costs without a concurrent program. And for this next example, I'll set the value to Yes. I log in again. I put in those copy options like I have from above for exactly the same number of records, and I press upload. Now this does an upload and creates the costs directly into Oracle. This actually isn't a supported piece of functionality from Oracle. It's something that MorphWrap's provides. We have a lot of customers using this, so feel free to use it as well. But like I say, it's an unsupported option, but it's definitely quicker and definitely easier to use when you go to submit your discrete manufacturing item copy costs.